Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Learn Arabic grammar the easy way.
In this lesson, we will learn the verb allama. This is the word cloud figure of the verbs that occur on the pattern of allama. Remember, we are learning the verbs which have extra letters in their three-letter root. For example, from alima to allama, you have extra shadda, or salima to aslama, hamza is extra. And such verbs are called mazid fi verbs. In Arabic, there are 14 mazid fi verbs. 14 styles are there. We will learn 5 of them to start with. These verbs occur in the Quran 8,200 times. These 5 styles of verbs. And if we just remember 2 sentences, we can memorize these verbal nouns as well as verbs that we have here. So repeat after me.
Ta'aleem and muhasaba are very important in Islam.
Ta'aleem and muhasaba are very important in Islam.
Allama, hasaba, aslama.
Allama, hasaba, aslama.
So don't waste your time in ikhtilaf. Use it in istighfar. Don't waste your time in ikhtilaf. Use it in istighfar. Ikhtalafa, istaghfara. Ikhtalafa, istaghfara. Alright? Can you say these with me? Bismillah.
Ta'aleem and muhasaba are from the basics of Islam.
Allama, hasaba, aslama. Don't waste your time in ikhtilaf. Use it in istighfar. Ikhtalafa, istaghfara. Alim. Remember the verb course that we have. Fafataha, fa, nasara, noon, daraba, da, and sami'a, sin. We have learned the weak letters also. So for weak letters and repeated root letters, we have 2-letter code. For example, wa'ada, waw and ayn. Qala, qaf and alif. Zada, za and alif. Okay, and da'a, dal and ayn. And hada, ha and dal, and so on. For mazid fi, we have allama, for example, ayn, lam with a plus sign. So it will have 2 letters plus a plus sign. So whenever there is a plus sign in the code, it means these are mazid fi verbs. So today's lesson is allama, about allama. Allama means he taught, and we have shadda on the middle letter, which is extra, from alima to allama. Forms of allama are just like fa'ala. Fa'ala, fa'alu, fa'alda, fa'aldu, just like that. Allama, allamu. You just have to keep shadda in all these forms. Just drag this shadda in all the forms. That's all. There's nothing special about it. So can you translate? Allama means he taught. So translate. Allama,
he taught.
Allamu, they taught. Allamta,
you taught.
Allamtu,
I taught.
Allamtum,
you all taught.
Allamna,
we taught.
Okay, repeat after me 2 times. Allama, allamu,
Allama, allamu, allama, allamu,
allamta, allamtu,
allamta, allamtu, allamta, allamtu,
allamtum, allamna,
allamtum, allamna, allamtum, allamna.
Can you say these with me? Bismillah.
Allama, allamu, allamta, allamtu, allamtum, allamna.
Once more.
Allama, allamu, allamta, allamtu, allamtum, allamna.
MashaAllah. Allim. Let's take spoken Arabic now. Answer me with a yes. Hal allama. Did he teach? Let's say everyone has taught something to the other or to someone else. So answer it with a yes. So can you answer me? If I say hal allama, you will say na'am allama. Hal allamu? Na'am allamu. So answer me. Hal allama?
Na'am allama.
Hal allamu?
Na'am allamu.
That was those sentences are about them. Now let's take the dialogues between you and me. هل علمت? You will say نعم علمت. هل علمتم? You will say نعم علمنا. So answer me. هل علمت؟
نعم علمت.
هل علمتم؟
نعم
علمنا. ما شاء الله. Again. هل علمت؟
نعم علمت.
هل علمتم؟
نعم علمنا.
علم. So let us add in an object there. هل علم القرآن? Did he teach the Quran? القرآن. The object will be with a. So answer me with a yes. هل علم القرآن؟
نعم علم القرآن.
هل علموا القرآن؟
نعم علموا القرآن.
هل علمت القرآن؟
نعم علمت القرآن.
هل علمتم القرآن؟
نعم علمنا القرآن.
علم. Alhamdulillah. Now let us take فعل مضارع. From علم it will be يعلم. It will start with you. Remember, so far in the weak letters and 3 root letters we had ya, like فعل يفعل, فتح يفتح, وعد يعد, قال يقول, هدى يهدي. Alright? أمر يأمر, ضل يضل. But here it is you. يعلم. يعلم. يعلم, he teaches. And if this key is there, then you can make the rest just like يفعل يفعلون تفعل يفعلون تفعلون. So يعلم يعلمون تعلم يعلم تعلمون نعلم. So can you translate with actions? يعلم,
he teaches.
يعلمون,
they teach.
تعلم,
you teach.
أعلم,
I teach.
تعلمون,
you all teach.
نعلم,
we teach.
MashaAllah. Repeat after me 2 times. يعلم يعلمون.
يعلم يعلمون. يعلم يعلمون.
تعلم أعلم.
تعلم أعلم. تعلم أعلم.
تعلمون نعلم.
تعلمون نعلم. تعلمون نعلم.
Can you say this with me? Bismillah.
يعلم يعلمون. تعلم أعلم. تعلمون نعلم.
MashaAllah. Once again.
يعلم يعلمون. تعلم أعلم. تعلمون نعلم.
MashaAllah. علم. Let's take spoken Arabic. Again, answer with yes. Does he teach the Quran? هل يعلم؟ نعم يعلم. And so on. So answer me. هل يعلم؟
نعم يعلم.
هل يعلمون؟
نعم يعلمون.
هل تعلم؟
نعم أعلم.
هل تعلمون؟
نعم نعلم.
نعم نعلم. علم. Let's take an object there. Al-Quran, the same object. Does he teach the Quran? هل يعلم القرآن? So you will say نعم يعلم القرآن. Answer me. هل يعلم القرآن؟
نعم يعلم القرآن.
هل يعلمون القرآن؟
نعم يعلمون القرآن.
هل تعلم القرآن؟
نعم أعلم القرآن.
هل تعلمون القرآن؟
نعم نعلم القرآن.
ما شاء الله. علم. Alhamdulillah. Now let us make Amr. Okay. Amr in Mazid Fi is very easy. Put sukun on the last letter of Madi ki and a kasra before it. For example, Allama will become Allim. Allim. Allama will become Allim. Teach. And that's what I keep saying from the beginning, from course 1. Allim, Allim, Allim. And teach. Allim. From Allama, Allim. And if you know Allim, then the rest of the forms are just similar, like Allimu. If'al, if'alu. Allim, Allimu. La tu'allim, la tu'allimu. So can you translate with actions, please? Allim,
teach.
Allimu,
teach.
La tu'allim,
don't teach.
La tu'allimu,
don't teach.
Repeat after me 2 times. Allim, Allimu.
علم علموا. علم علموا.
لا تعلم لا تعلموا
لا تعلم لا تعلم لا تعلم لا
Okay,
تعلم
with me بسم الله
علم علموا
لا تعلم لا تعلموا again
علم علموا
لا تعلم
لا
لا تعلموا ما شاء الله علم the same علم. Alright, let's take spoken Arabic. If I say علم, teach, what will you say? أعلم. Yes, I will teach. علموا, all of you teach. What will you say? نعلم. We will teach or we teach. Answer me. علم.
أعلم
علموا.
نعلم
علم.
أعلم
علموا.
نعلم
علم.
نعلم.
Let's say if I say لا تعلم, don't teach anything bad. So what will you say? لا أعلم. I don't teach or I will not teach. Okay? And لا تعلموا, don't teach all of you bad things. So you will say لا نعلم. We don't teach or we are not going to teach. So answer me. لا تعلم.
لا أعلم
لا تعلموا.
لا نعلم
علم. Alhamdulillah. To make fa'il and maf'ul in Mazid fi is also very easy. You know, you have this madhi ki allama, just put mu, mim with dhamma, mu on the mouth of allama, mu mouth, mu mouth, mu mouth, okay? Allama, it will become muallim, the one who teaches, and maf'ul will be muallam. Notice this kasra in fa'il, muallim, and fatha in maf'ul, muallam, muallim, muallam. From allama, muallim, the one who teaches, the teacher, muallam, the one who is taught, the student. Alright? So muallim, muallam, that's very easy. And the action, the verbal noun, the noun that is coming from the verb, verbal noun is ta'lim, which you already learnt in the sentences. Ta'lim and muhasabah are from the basics of Islam. So you already know this. Ta'lim. Ta'lim from allama, ta'lim. You got to add ta there and stretch after lam. Ta'lim, teaching. Okay. So can you translate with actions? Muallim,
one who teaches.
Muallam,
The one who is taught.
And ta'lim,
To teach.
After me 2 times. Muallim, muallam, ta'lim.
معلم معلم تعليم معلم معلم تعليم.
Okay, with me. Bismillah.
معلم معلم تعليم معلم معلم تعليم.
علم. هل أنت معلم? Are you a teacher? You will say نعم أنا معلم. هل أنت معلم? You will say نعم أنا معلم. هل أنتم معلمون? Are you teachers? You will say نعم نحن معلمون. You must have taught something to someone. So answer me. هل أنت معلم؟
نعم أنا معلم.
هل أنتم معلمون؟
نعم نحن معلمون.
ما شاء الله. علم. So mashallah, we have learned almost everything except 2, which is fa'ala, fa'alat. So allama, he taught, allamat, she taught, yu'allimu, he teaches, tu'allimu, she teaches. Okay, same style. Yaf'alu, taf'alu, yu'allimu, tu'allimu. So can you answer me? هو علم, هي
علمت.
هو يعلم, هي
تعلم.
ما شاء الله. Again, هو علم, هي
علمت.
هو يعلم, هي
تعلم.
Alhamdulillah. We have learned the whole table now. Can you repeat the table with me? Bismillah.
علم علموا علمت علمت علمتم علمنا. يعلم يعلمون تعلم أعلم تعلمون نعلم. علم علموا لا تعلم لا تعلمون. معلم معلم تعليم.
And هو علم, هي
علمت.
ويعلم, هي
تعلم.
ما شاء الله. علم. Now we have the 6 keys also ready with us. So can you repeat these 6 keys after me? علم يعلم علم.
علم يعلم علم.
معلم معلم تعليم.
معلم معلم تعليم.
Repeat them with me.
علم يعلم علم معلم معلم تعليم.
MashaAllah. Just remember here, the only thing that you got to remember in this whole setup really is يعلم. Why? Because we learned ta'lim and muhasaba from basics of Islam. Allama, hasaba, aslama. Ta'lim and allama, you already know that. Okay? And from allama, amr is allim. Allama, allim. And also, fa'al maf'ul is mu, put mu on the mouth of allama, mu'allim, mu'allam. So the only thing that is really new here is allama, yu'allimu. That's all. So as you see, as you have seen, Mazid Fi is very easy. So memorize the table of allama thoroughly and answer the questions in the workbook. And just like allama, we have sabbaha. Sabbaha. He made tasbih, he glorified. So it's the same style. Sabbaha, sabbahu, sabbahta, sabbahtu, sabbahtum, sabbahna, yusabbihu, yusabbihuna, tusabbihu, yusabbihu, tusabbihuna, nusabbihu. سبح سبحوا لا تسبح لا تسبحوا مسبح مسبح تسبيح سبحت تسبح. Alhamdulillah, don't forget the 7 types of homework and learn from videos. And if you cannot watch them continuously, then make a group of 2-3 friends and watch together. Wherever I say allim, pause the video and practice. So you don't have to wait for a teacher. Otherwise, get one-to-one classes for yourself and your family. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Assalamu alaikum. Learn to read Al-Quran, learn Tajweed, understand Al-Quran and memorize it using easy, scientific and interactive methods. Get ebooks, videos, audios, posters, PowerPoint files, app links for different courses. We have specialized Montessori materials and games for making the Quran easy for kids and a teacher's resource center too. Get personalized one-to-one online courses that suit your needs from expert teachers. For free trial, write to admin@understandquran.com or visit understandquran.com. Wassalamu alaikum.